Hello developers! Today I will be showing you how to use Google Fonts to include custom fonts on your web pages. Let's get started. Here I am having one of the basic HTML, and to get the Google Fonts, let's go into the Google Font official website. So here I'm just googling Google Fonts. Inside here, just go into the first link. Inside here you can able to see tons of fonts. Not only in English, you can able to see fonts for almost all major languages, and inside here you can able to select the category. As of now I'm not going with this category and all. If you want to change this sample text, you can able to type something here. In my case I'm just typing hello developers. And if you already familiar with some of the font names, just enter that font name here. Open Sans. This is one of the famous and my favorite font, so I'm just going to use that. Inside here you can able to see some of these font styles: light, regular, medium, semi bold, bold. So let me select some of the stylings. I need light. In my case I don't need italic fonts, so I just leave that. Medium, semi bold. And I don't need extra bold is enough for me, so I'm just leave that. So if you come and select this part, you can able to see whatever the styles you have selected, and if you don't want any of them, you can able to remove it from here also. And here you can able to see two options to add Google font in our websites. So first let me go with the first option. Just copying it and paste it inside my head. And if you see here, this will comes with all the weight whatever you are needed. And inside my head, let me create one internal CSS. In my case I'm just using internal CSS. If you want, you can able to use external CSS file also. I'm just selecting the body here. Let me select font family, and you need to give this font name. You can able to see the font name here. I'm just copying this and paste it here. I'm just going into the dev tools. Inside the body, let me remove this font family. So hope you can see the difference. Likewise, you can able to add any of the fonts inside the Google Fonts. And here you always need to mention fallback font. In my case I'm just mentioning sans serif. Fallback fonts are nothing, it's a web safe fonts that are usually installed across all the browsers. In some case, if your custom font won't load or it doesn't work for some other reason, then this fallback font will be the next option. Or else you can be able to simply come and copy paste this line into your CSS. Let me come on this and paste. So this is the one of the option. In the second option, you can able to use import. Import is something you can able to paste it inside your CSS file. So here I just copy pasted the same URL inside the CSS. Let me comment the link in the head. There we go. That is how to use Google Fonts to include custom fonts on your web pages. If you like today's video, consider subscribing and check out my other videos as well. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video.